Learning is a lifelong process, and there is no end of learning anything.
Okay, fine. We can talk to each other.
Yes, yes. Okay, it's okay then. So, do you want to introduce yourself first, or I will introduce myself first?
Okay, no issue. Exactly. My name is Kaiser Alam, and I'm from West Bengal, and I have done my graduation this year. That's
Okay,
it. Yeah.
okay, that's great. And my name is Prakash, and I'm from Odisha state.
Okay, we are so close to each other, so it's not too far away. So,
Yes, yes,
but are you working professional?
yes. By profession, I am a working person, and I'm working in a private college. Yes.
Okay.
And what do you do for living?
Well, I'm also working in a shop place for living
Okay.
purpose. That's
Mhm.
it. If I say more things about that, it's not good. I don't think so. So it's required for while talking. So we can each other. We can speak better. There is no need to talk about my designation, my what still I'm doing. So it's not matter. But
Okay.
how we prepare, how we speak. So it's all about this call because we want to learn, we want to speak, we how we can speak better day by day. So that is our motive, that is our intention day by day. What about you?
Abs- Yes, yes, absolutely. Yeah. Okay, then. So this is our first conversation. So I would like to ask you so many questions, plenty of questions
That,
about this language, because as you know that at
okay.
this juncture, this language is being spoken by
Yeah.
everyone. I would say that. So yeah, I have seen so many videos of yours. Maybe you do have a YouTube channel and you are posting videos on your YouTube channel. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Go ahead. I can hear.
Yes, yes. Okay. So, yeah, that is why I want to tell you something about this language. So, according to you, tell me something about this language that at this particular time, that what is the importance of this language. And also, I want to ask you some other question as well that you know that, okay, because who are living in village area, okay,
Hmm.
and he or she is willing to improve this language, okay,
Yeah.
but he or she doesn't have friend with whom he or she
Mhm.
can hone this language. So according to
Okay.
you, that what are the activities, what are the methods, if he or she will inculcate or use, then his or her communication skills and spoken English will be improved.
Well,
Mhm.
if I say that I'm also living in a village area, so I'm not in a city place area, still living. So I think it's all about dedication. It's all about inner feelings. What
Mhm.
do you think about your journey purpose? So still,
Okay.
I'm learning almost 2 years, not only for video call, not only for audio call. Sometimes I made a blog video with my mindset, or I can say in my channel I upload it because it's my hobby, it's my interest, and that's why still I'm learning.
Yes,
Interest, it's not.
absolutely right. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely right. Yes,
And
because if you have determination and dedication, then definitely it will be a piece of cake for you to learn this language. But
of course.
it takes lots of time. Okay, it takes
Yeah,
lots of time. So you have to
absolutely.
dedicate towards this language. And if you will practice continuously each and every single day drastically, then definitely you will be able to speak this language. But what we do that, we are not
Mhm.
consistent about this language and we are
Yeah.
not practicing this language each and every single day. Okay, so that is the matter. But it doesn't matter that if you do have good conducive environment or not, because most of the people who are living in village area, they
Mhm.
also can speak fluent English. Okay, I have observed this thing, and I have spoken with lots of friends of mine who
Mhm.
belong to rural area. Okay,
Yeah.
even they can speak like fantastic English. I have observed. Okay, I have spoken with them lots of time.
Mhm.
So it doesn't matter
Okay.
that if you are having a good environment or not. Just you have to immerse yourself in English environment. If you do
Mhm.
not have good environment, then you have to create by yourself only. Okay, even you will listen more and more, you will speak. Okay, it doesn't matter that if you do have a good friend or not. Okay, just you have to
Correct.
use your mobile phone, you have to create an environment, and you have to tell to you, okay, different
Mhm.
kinds of question. After that you will answer your question, and you have to
Mhm.
pick out a small topic. On that particular topic you have to speak only, then definitely you will able to speak English. So there is
Of
nothing to worry about this particular language. If you do not have friend, if you don't have conducive environment,
Mhm.
like you know that like these days we do have like good facility like internet, YouTube
Yeah.
channel. Okay,
Mhm.
so in this way we will able to speak this language. Okay,
Of
so but
course.
like people, they do have fallacious thought. They are thinking about that without having partner, without having environment, okay,
Mhm.
we will not able
Mhm.
to speak English. But there is nothing to worry about it. Also you can speak by yourself only if you will practice each and every single day, and if you
Mhm.
will watch. Because according to me, let me tell you one thing, that there are
Mhm.
four modules. Okay, listening, speaking, writing. Okay, and one is reading something like. So there are four modules. If you will follow these four modules, then definitely it will be easy for you to grab this language. But first of all, uh, you have to listen more and more. If you listen more and more, then you can better speak.
Yeah.
So, according to me, if you listen more and more, then you will observe the sentences, you will observe the vocabularies, and through which you will able to motivated towards this language. Because since our childhood, how we learned our language, because when we were child, at that time we were imitating to our parents. Okay, so we
Mm.
were listening more and more, so through which we learn this language. Okay, so like this, if we will learn, if we will listen more and more, then definitely we will be able to speak this language. So first thing
Yeah.
is listening more and more.
Yeah. Of course. If we eager to learn, so anyhow we can do anything for this language. So this is main thing we have to understand.
Yes.
So in this environment, in this situation, lots of emerging student coming.
Mhm.
They want to speak. They are eager to learn. So what happened? Like 2 or 3 or 6 months later, they feel demotivation. So that is the biggest thing that they are facing, that they don't spend too much time, but they will speak in a short time. It's not easy task because we not born like UK or any other country where we speak daily basis, regular routine basis. So we don't have atmosphere. So we have to change our mindset. We have to change our surroundings because without thinking, without practicing, it's not easy.
Mhm.
And that's it.
Yes, yes. Without practicing, you will not be able to hone this language. Okay, so practice is very, very important.
Yeah.
Yes.